just recording stuff to show my mum, you know, or whoever. It's pretty difficult to walk and film, but bloody hell, statue up there.
Oh, you ought to get one over there, don't you now?
Yeah, in front of water. See, because these are all in a 4x3 format, I'll upload all the movies to YouTube and you can watch them direct on my channel.
Yeah.
So if you ever wanted to show anybody your day out, just direct them to my channel, but just don't tell her whose channel it is.
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, they'll probably know to some degree, but I'm telling them already on air, aren't I? You dickhead. Here's me saying don't tell people about my channel, and then next minute I'm telling them on the video. How stupid can you be?
Let's go still.
Fail! I might be a bit sweaty, but it's understandable.
You had a little creepy crawly on you.
So,
Don't fall over there.
yeah, no.